tayo ulit. Kasama natin si Santi at si Sian. Congratulations, LA. Eric Reyes was saying, it's not the 20 points that really impressed them. It's more of that 8 rebounds. 24 or baka nadagdagan pa yan collectively as a team yung assist ninyo that, helped you win this ball game against Blackwater. And of course, syempre nga yung depensa dahil they would average about 100 points na limit nyo sila to their usual production.
Yeah, actually, you're right. They're averaging 106 points per game. So, yun talaga yung goal namin. Actually, yun lang yung nakalagay talaga sa board ni Coach Tim kanina to defensive mindset, play defense. That's it. Yun lang talaga yung goal namin. After a loss, a big loss against Alaska, yun lang talaga yung ginawa namin is to concentrate on our defense and, offense will follow.
Bouncing back is something that you've done in this game. Pero marami pa syempreng trabaho. But we can see na unti-unti parang nagiging parte na ng inyong pagkatao yung triangle. Nakukuha nyo na siya.
Medyo actually nakukuha na namin yung triangle. Again, katulad nga ng parating pinipreach ni Coach Tim, it's not our offense, it's really our defense that fuels our offense. So, importante na alam namin yung basic ng triangle, tsaka yung mga options ng triangle. But the most important thing talaga na kailangan namin gawin, especially every game, is the defense, on the defensive end. So, hopefully maging consistent kami, especially sa mga darating pa namin mga games na napaka-importante.
So I know what fuels you is family and friends. Pagkakataon para magpasalamat at bumati.
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na binigyan ulit kami ng strength to bounce back, the whole team, and wala nasaktan sa both teams. And then ito, yung dalawang chikiting ko again. And then sa wife ko and to sa lahat ng mga taga Nasugbu, Batangas, and yun. And in-invite ko lahat ng mga taga Ginebra fans again sa Davao naman, our next game, ang Davao, ang Panabo. Sana magkita-kita po tayo dyan sa Davao. Yun.
Exciting games to come. Congratulations, LA Tenorio, best player ng ating laro. May mga sasabihin ba?
Hi.
Alright.